Hello students, Master Cadre Subject English. You all are most welcome in our YouTube channel Preparation with RJ. Students, our today's video topic related to linguistic. The essence of the whole linguistics means some important questions or facts related to linguistic from Master Cadre exam point of view. Let's start. Who introduced the term surface structure? The answer is Noam Chomsky. In which region is Akkadian spoken? Students, this question related to your topic Semitic language. If you want to prepare this topic, then go to our channel playlist. We had already uploaded this topic. The answer is Northeast. Reducing of a word of more than one syllable to a short form is called, read carefully, reducing of a word more than one syllable to a shorter form is called clipping. As an example, exam. We reduce this word from examination. This is called clipping. What is dialect? Answer is user oriented. Who coined the term Semitic language? The answer is A. L. Schlosser. Syntactical Structures book wrote by Noam Chomsky. Sign according to Ferdinand de Saussure consists of signifier and signified. Students, in previous paper they raised the question how many aspects according to Ferdinand de Saussure in sign. Then the answer is 2, name, signifier and signified. Publishing date of a course in Journal Linguistics. The answer is 1916. Into how many systems can organs of speech be studied? The answer is 3. What is a register? The answer is use oriented. We also call this professional language. Students, this topic is also uploaded on our channel. Go to the playlist and watch there. Transformative generative grammar introduced by. The answer is Noam Chomsky. How many semi-vowel sounds are in RP? The full form of RP is received pronunciation. How many semi-vowels sounds are in RP? The answer is 2. Joining of two separate words. Joining of two separate words to produce a single word is called compounding. As an example, bookshop, bathroom. We combine two separate meaningful words together, bath and room. Then we join bathroom. This is called compounding. The space between the vocal cords are called as answer glottis. Forming of new words from the initial letters, starting letters of a set of other words is called. The answer is acronyms. As an example, WHO. Its full form is World Health Organization. We forming this WHO from the initial letters. Next, total consonant sounds are in RP. The answer is 24. How many nasal sounds are in RP? The answer is 3. Concept of parole introduced by. The answer is Ferdinand de Saussure. The trial and error theory given by whom? The answer is Thorndike. Country of Noam Chomsky. Noam Chomsky belongs to which country? The answer is America. Most famous Semitic language is? The answer is Arabic. Plosive or stop sounds are in RP. How many plosive or stop sounds are in RP? The answer is 6. P, B, T, D, K, G. These 6 sounds are plosive sounds are in RP. We also call plosive sounds stop. Other name of plosive sounds is stop. Next, founder of sociolinguistics. The answer is William Labov. We also upload this topic in our YouTube channel. Go to the playlist and watch there. Father of linguistics. The answer is Ferdinand Saussure. Ferdinand de Saussure. Remember, father of linguistics is Ferdinand de Saussure. And the father of modern linguistics is Noam Chomsky. Next question. First Semitic language is Akkadian. Total sounds are in RP. The answer is 44. 44 total sounds, from which 24 consonants and 20 are vowels. Deep structure introduced by Noam Chomsky. Who wrote the book A Course in General Linguistics? The answer is Ferdinand de Saussure, and this book published in 1916. And Ferdinand Saussure give 2 sign concepts, signifier and signified. Vowel sounds in RP 20. Types of free morphemes are? The answer is 2. The answer is 2. Lexical and grammatical. Word formation from natural or artificial sounds. Word formation from natural or artificial sounds is called echoism. The other name of echoism is onomatopoeia. As an example, bark. This example is from natural sound, and click. This is an example of artificial sound. Types of bound morphemes are? How many bound morphemes? Answer is 2. Inflectional and derivational. Joining the beginning of one word to the end of another word. Read carefully. Joining of the beginning of one word and the end of the another word. The answer is blending. As an example, brunch. This brunch word formed from 2 words, breakfast plus lunch. The initial word or beginning word, breakfast, break, and ending word lunch, unch. Then it create brunch. Another example, Eurasia, from Eur plus Asia. Smoke, from smoke plus folk. Move to the next question. Concept of length introduced by? The answer is Ferdinand de Saussure. Ferdinand de Saussure introduced 2 concepts, parole or length. Same as Noam Chomsky introduced 2 concepts. When was Syntactical Structures published? The answer is 1957. In this book, Noam Chomsky introduced TGG, Transformational Generative Grammar. Students, if you understand this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like and share. Thank you.